Hi, we are from Kerala, from Alapi. Now we are at Jammu. We have done a Kashmir trip and now reached Jammu. Happy Vacation Trip have arranged a good tour for us, very memorable tour. They help us very much in some critical situations. Also, they don't miss us. They helped us. They gave all facilities, very good rooms, very nice cab, good driver. Everything was good. Me, my wife and 2 children went all these places. Now reached Jammu. This is Jammu temple. We can trust very much that Happy Vacation Trip and its tour coordinator Srimati Nikharika Singh. They have done a good job for us.